yes. The puzzle. The color puzzle begins.
More casual.
Thinking not
roll out. Yeah. Ooh, we got a tinier.
Yeah, maybe count the teeth on that one too and just make sure that I didn't just buy the exact same. Probably a socket would be your choice. Oh, you have a socket.
We do have a socket.
Ah.
Nice.
Sweet.
Beautiful.
Nice. That's why I need you, Dan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Just fucking pinks and yellows and all the colors.
Yeah. That looks sick.
See if I crushed it first time this time. Woo!
Oh, there's such a shit show in there. Hey!
Okay.
All right, guys. Beer of the week. Sessions. Cheers.
You're gonna kick it over, and I'm gonna hold the battery, so I'll be over here, kind of get blasted in the face with exhaust.
Nice.
And you just starting it. And I'm gonna check and see if we got. Full throttle.
There we go.
So as you ride at full throttle, it'll charge your battery.
Good news.
And it'll keep it, it won't draw your battery at idle, but it won't really charge it either. I think you're good.
Try it like this.
Yeah, that's actually looks nice.
I already forgot you guys used this damn thing.
MT Bottle Boys, like Montana. Montana Bottle Boys. Just the MT.
Okay, I'm gonna go look it up.
Tires on.
That's about to be riding this bitch.
Woo! Bye.
That's in-ish.
Ooh, nice.
Click.
That's an 8 milli. That's an 8 milli.
throttle doesn't rebound. You have to rebound it yourself. That's
Okay.
not a standard feature. That's a Nick Spike feature.
That might.
That's not great.
Oh, that could end up.
Okay.
So just to go, I just let out a little bit. It'll start to roll.
And then when you want to get the second, is that up?
Yeah, so to get to second, you have throttle down,
Yeah.
clutch in. So probably order of operation really would be clutch in, throttle down, click up.
Throttle down be more or less throttle?
No
Basically-
throttle.
You basically want no throttle.
No.
The most common things that people are going to do that they're going to f up with is that when it starts to creep forward, they're going to kind of start to get excited and let the clutch out too fast. You want to let it out slowly. So just let it creep, and as you go, you just keep. I'm still not all the way out. And then the other thing that people do is when they get out of control, their tendency is to grip.
Which is bad.
Yeah, because it revs up.
Yeah. And on that bike, it'll just.
It'll just go.
Yeah.
So if you ever get in trouble, you just pull that clutch in.
Okay.
And then you'll be out of gear, and then you can press the
neutral.
brake or whatever.
Okay.
There you go. Whew. Sounds sexy, man.
The easiest way to find neutral is to roll forward a little bit and apply a little bit of pressure upwards, and it'll do a half little click. So,
Back in. There we
so
go.
you could have gave it a little bit of throttle there,
And then it would have kept going?
yeah,
Mhm.
Okay.
the gas.
Too much. Too much.
Squeeze in.
There he goes. There he goes.
Okay.
Woo!
Almost lost her.
Yeah, we were worried there for a second.
And I always keep basically fingers on the clutch at all times. Like I never let go of that thing.
That's
like,
true.
I'm never gripping.
That's true for
And
me
it's-
too.
It's the same thing with the brake too, really. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Definitely got to get that throttle figured out a little bit.
Yeah, for sure. You'll walk with it.
There you go. There you go.
Walk with it.
Yeah. More throttle cable. Bullshit.
Never-ending battle.
Should we call ourselves throttle cable boys instead?
At the bottom.
I feel like that's not it. Mitch, can I borrow your bike for a second?
Of course.
Just to roll it over there. I want to test my new Hitch carrier. Oh, you just f***ing launched that bad boy?
Oh.
Okay, well at least that didn't... Oh, man. Yeah, the Black Widow.
Black Widow.
Yeah.
How much did it?
It's 300 pounds.
300.
Goes for $120 or $130 standard. That are movable.
Oh, okay.
And then we have the safety posts. So you want the wheel to fall in here, and then this slides out and locks the wheel in.
Yeah.
So
Still the same?
This thing is kind of a piece of shit. Like it's
Plastic.
cheap Amazon ones, you know?
Yeah.
So,
Might need an upgrade.
upgrade there, probably do it. But she runs good. So
Dude, yeah.
that's definitely dangerous.
Okay.
And I would maybe spend like $25 on that, you know? Maybe get a nicer one.
okay.
Like, I wonder if I could just take this whole thing apart. Yep.
Made a
Yeah,
lot
man.
of progress today.
We did.
Just the little nitty-gritty stuff now.
Yeah. It moved.
It moved.
I mean,
Rotor.